Suppose you're traveling on a train through a remote area, and suddenly, you realize your phone is gone. Maybe misplaced, maybe stolen. You had no GPS, no contacts, no internet. Panic sets in. But don't worry, in this video, we'll show you how to handle this situation step by step and get back on track. Let's begin. Here you need clarity, not panic. Ask yourself, when did you last use the phone? Where could you have left it? Search your seat, under the berth, near the windows, or washroom. Ask nearby passengers. Check bag zippers, hoodie pockets, anywhere it could have slipped. If the train hasn't moved much, you have a small window to recover it. Now, notify the authorities on board. Speak to the train ticket examiner or coach attendant. Tell them your phone details, model, color, last known location. Request an announcement in case someone finds it. Ask them to alert station staff ahead. This greatly improves your recovery chances if someone turns it in. Borrow a phone from someone nearby. Call your own number. Maybe someone picked it up. If it rings nearby, follow the sound. If it's switched off, it may be lost or stolen. People are often willing to help. Be polite, explain the situation clearly. Use the internet from the borrowed phone to secure your device. Android users, log in with your Google account. You can ring, lock, or erase the device. iPhone users, log in with your Apple ID. Use lost mode or erase options. Also, change passwords for bank apps, Gmail, UPI apps, and social media. As soon as you reach a big station, file a complaint. Approach the Railway Protection Force, RPF, or local police. Provide your ID and ticket details. File a general diary, GRAND, or FIR. Keep a photo or copy of the complaint. This helps in case of identity misuse, and is necessary for insurance claims or SIM recovery. Immediately block your SIM to prevent misuse. Call your mobile operator. Provide your mobile number and ID details. Or visit a mobile store at the next town for a replacement SIM. Traveling without a phone is tough, but not impossible. Use printed tickets and written contacts. Ask railway staff or locals for help. Use PCOs or borrow a phone to contact family. Ask a co-traveler to help book a cab if needed. Remember, people are generally helpful in emergencies. Once you're at your destination, inform your family you're safe. Use Wi-Fi or cafe to log into Gmail, iCloud, etc. Revoke access to apps and change all passwords. If your phone was insured, begin claim process. Consider using a spare phone or buying a basic one to stay connected. Losing a phone teaches us to be prepared. Here's how to travel smarter. Always enable Find My Phone. Use cloud backup for photos, contacts, and files. Lock your phone with fingerprint or PIN. Don't flash your phone in public or while sleeping. You may carry printed emergency contacts, ID photocopies, some extra cash, extra passport photo, backup phone if possible. Losing your phone on a train in a remote area can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be a disaster. With calm thinking, quick action, and some help from others, you can protect your data, continue your journey, and even come out stronger.